I'm Denise Sauls, instructor for the Salon and Spa Management degree at LBW Community College, MacArthur Campus in Opp, Alabama. The Salon and Spa Management degree is an associate's degree in applied science consisting of 67 credit hours. Many of these courses now are transferable to a university. This program prepares students to manage or own a full-service salon or spa, and it includes extensive instruction in cosmetic arts. The program spans 4 semesters, including an internship during the final semester. Students attend classes 2 days per week in our newly renovated state-of-the-art lab and complete theory classes online. Additionally, we offer distance education classes in the mornings at several locations. So, if you're looking to jumpstart your career while in high school, LBW is the place for you.
My name is Victoria Peak, and I'm an instructor for the Salon and Spa Management program here at LBW. In our 4-semester program, I have the privilege of teaching future professionals the essential skills that they need to become licensed in hair, skin, and nails. In the hair segment of our program, I focus on fundamental and advanced techniques including precision cutting, color theory and application, chemical texturizing, and styling. Our students learn how to execute everything from classic bobs to modern balayage, along with proper blow drying and thermal styling techniques.
With this degree, you will be licensed to perform hair, nail, and skin services. We not only teach you the skills to become a successful cosmetologist, but we also prepare you for the Alabama Board of Cosmetology and Barbering exams, allowing you to test right here on our campus. Our job placement rates are excellent, as well as our pass rate for licensure. Upon completion of our program, you will leave here with all the tools you need for a successful career in the field of cosmetology.
Your future in beauty starts here at LBW. Enroll today and take that first step toward your dream career.